Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian, and the last video I did I was building these 8x10 frames for my wife. She's doing paintings on.
Come on, spit it out. You know you can remember it. Your mouth's working faster than your brain.
A series, that's what I'm looking for. A series. And she checked on what color they need to be, and so they need to be black, so I'm going to be painting these black today. So anyway, here we go. Move these, I'm going to clean up this table so I want to get stuff all over this towel. It's got a little bit of sawdust on it, so I want to get rid of it. Okay, we'll put this over out of the way. All right, let's grab these frames. All right. Still got a little bit of this can. We have to use it up first. I was thinking about using a paintbrush today. We'll see here if we got a little one. I'm just going to use a towel. That'll work better. Okay. Got the towel here. Some gloves on. I don't want to get my hands all covered in black. Stuff takes a while to get off. So the suggestion was the black, and that doesn't want it. It's just mantle or manty, something like that. So we looked that up, and it says it's like kind of like not a glossy finish. So that's what we're gonna do. This doesn't have a lot of gloss on it, so it's just kind of more of a flat type stain, I guess. So, okay. There might be enough in here to do all these. Like I said, it's down to the bottom of the can, so. Sorry, I guess I'm out of the camera here. Move over a little bit so you can see. There we go. Okay. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is still kind of a continuation of call it a part two, I guess, of the last one I did. Kind of a longer video that I did. It was funny, when I got it done, I was going to do the short first. And then I was editing it, and it ended up being a regular long video instead of the short, so oh well. So then I put the short out the day after. Anyway, I guess it all worked out okay. Turn this a little bit. That should work better. got a lot on here right at the moment. Just kind of trying to spread it out. I'll go over it again. I'm going to set those right here. I'll go over them again in a minute. And you can see I got gloves on. Messy. Especially the bottom of this can. My hand's almost too big to fit in there. Okay. I've got them all covered now. So I'm going to flip them all over right here. And go over them one more time. I'll do this last. I'll do the first one first. There was some I missed on this one too. camera over here and show you. I find this interesting. Some of these ones have got the grain showing through. It looks kind of cool. A couple of them do. I kind of like that. We'll see what the boss says, see if she likes it. So anyway, here's what we got right now. So more to come. Thanks for watching.